Open the front cover of the device. Turn toner container lock lever to the unlocked position. Carefully slide the old toner container out of the device. Place the old container in the plastic bag provided in the new toner kit packaging and discard it according to the local code or regulations for waste disposal. Remove the new container from the kit and place it on a hard, flat surface. Using the side of your hand, tap the container 3 times on both sides to dislodge any toner that may have settled during shipping or storage. Then, gently shake the container from side to side several times to evenly distribute the toner inside the container. Slide the new toner container into the device until you hear a click. Turn the toner container lever to the lock position. Close the front cover to finish.